In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best solar panels available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the solar panels list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the solar panels mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. BOGUANG 26.4V 200W Solar Panel. The BOGUANG 26.4V 200W glass rigid solar panel is built for high efficiency and durability, perfect for home, RV, camping, and marine applications. With a 24% cell efficiency, waterproof design, and robust monocrystalline silicon build, it delivers reliable performance in various weather conditions. Its 48-cell configuration and 1000 V DC maximum system voltage ensure stable power output. Ideal for 12V and 24V battery charging, it's an excellent choice for off-grid setups needing long-term energy reliability. Number 4. DOKIO 18V 100W Foldable Solar Kit. The DOKIO 18V 100W Portable Foldable Solar Panel Kit is a lightweight, compact solution for outdoor adventures and emergency power needs. Made from high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon, it folds easily for transport and includes a 12V controller for direct battery charging. Its flexible panel design enhances portability, while the 100W capacity ensures efficient charging for small devices, lights, and power stations. Ideal for campers, RV owners, and outdoor enthusiasts needing dependable, mobile solar power. Number 3. Xinpuguang 200W Flexible Solar Panel. The Xinpuguang 200W Flexible Solar Panel combines portability and performance for off-grid living. Its 21.8% module efficiency and monocrystalline build deliver reliable energy conversion. Designed to bend and adapt to curved surfaces like RVs, boats, and trailers, it's perfect for mobile setups. Lightweight yet durable, it withstands outdoor conditions while offering consistent power for 12V/24V systems. Ideal for users seeking a versatile, space-saving, and weather-resistant solar charging option. Number 2. ALLPOWERS AP-SP-027 Solar Panel. The ALLPOWERS AP-SP-027 Foldable Solar Panel is a premium choice for portable energy solutions. With its 100W capacity, dual-panel foldable design, and included battery charging capabilities, it's perfect for outdoor trips, camping, and emergency power backup. Built from polycrystalline silicon, it balances efficiency and cost while maintaining durability. Compatible with power stations and direct battery charging, it's lightweight, easy to carry, and designed for quick deployment anywhere sunlight is available. Number 1. ASUNERGE RGN33-100A Flexible Solar Panel. The ASUNERGE RGN33-100A Flexible Solar Panel delivers high performance with its bendable monocrystalline design, making it perfect for RVs, boats, and curved rooftops. Offering multiple power options from 100W to 600W, it boasts a 21.8% efficiency rate for fast, consistent charging. Waterproof and lightweight at just 1.7 kilograms, it's easy to install and transport. With a 1-year quality guarantee, it's a reliable choice for off-grid users seeking long-lasting, adaptable solar energy solutions.